everyone, welcome back to another video. We're at one of our homes that we have built to sell. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour because I have been getting some questions about what life is like here in Canada, what houses are like. This particular house is an Oceanview house. You don't have to go with the Oceanview. You can go for mountain view, city view, an apartment, whatever you like. This just happens to be an Oceanview, so I thought I'd show you. All houses follow the same building code, concrete foundation and wooden frame. But the inside of the house, they're all different. You get to choose what you want for the floors, the paint color, finishing of the house, all that is up to you. Now this is, of course, if you're building your house. If you are buying a house that has already been built, then all that is done for you. It's super cold out here, so let's go inside and start our tour. This is our front door. I am standing on the first floor. This house has 3 floors. The main floor here, the second floor going down there, and the third floor, which is the basement. Let's start off here on the first floor. We have marble floors and hardwood in the rooms and kitchen and the living dining area. 11-foot ceilings. Got some pot lights, and we have some skylights as well. So you get lots of light. From those, we've gone with a light blue paint in this house. You'll notice a lot of light colors. Let's walk into the first room here, which is the den room. So this is probably the brightest room in the house because it's right in the front, so you get your light. And there is a closet here, small little closet here. Just a basic closet. So you can use it as a den room. You can also use this room as like a computer space, an office space, or just a lounge area. And you can see that we've done some landscaping outside. You can set up a nice little conversation table, maybe some chairs, or start a garden out there. It's a perfect little area for entertainment as well. Okay, let's move on down the hall. Let's move on to the left here. This is the powder room. It's a 2-piece bathroom with the toilet and the sink. The marble floors in here as well. And now for the kitchen and living and dining area. But before we go there, I want to show you this little, well, you can call it a pantry. Depends what you want to use it for. So let me just show you. So this is the room. We need some shelves in here. And yeah, see, nothing too exciting, I know. We need some shelves, and it can be a pantry. We have some, we still, excuse the mess, we still have, we're still working on the house, so we have some equipment, buckets, random things lying around. So this is the main kitchen. You can see that the cupboards reach the ceiling, they touch the ceiling, and we have another skylight, more pot lights. The appliances, we still need appliances, so straight across there would be the range. And over to the left here, we will be putting our refrigerator. These are quartz countertops. Here, we've gone with the light gray countertops and the white cupboards. White is so in right now. It gives it a nice sleek look to the kitchen. Okay, so on the left side here, we have the spice kitchen. There's a door. So why a spice kitchen? Well, a spice kitchen is a very popular concept here. So especially with a lot of Asian cooking, in particular Indian cooking, we have, our food tends to have a strong odor, which is yummy, it's great, but you wanna try to contain it here. So this is why we have the door, and we have the exhaust, and we also have the window, so all that yummy smell stays here and doesn't seep into the rest of the house. So we have our quartz countertops and the same white cupboards here. All we're missing here is our stove. So still some work left to do here. We have our floor here. It's a little bit different. It's not marble, I don't think. No, this is marble as well. Okay, now to my favorite part of the house, the living room and dining room over there. So this is our dining room. You have a nice chandelier, cute little chandelier. This is where you would set up your table, kitchen table or dining table. And of course, the ocean, beautiful view. And we have sliders here in the living area. The fireplace with nice detail around it, the rocks. And we've kept it simple with the shelves on the side and the simple mantle. Very sleek look with the floors. This is a nice feature, the extra cupboard space below the island. Very good use of space. So that's what we try to do in the houses that we build. We try to make sure we utilize the space the best that we can. Now we're going to move into the master bedroom over here. Alrighty, this is the master bedroom. I feel like the ocean is so close from this house. The sky is clear today, so you can really see the islands over there and the mountains as well. So here we have, again, like I was saying, hardwood, and please excuse our vacuum. We have the ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and a door leading onto the sun deck. Okay, let's go into the closet. So we didn't do a his and hers, we just did the one gigantic closet with the shelving. These are all adjustable, these right here, so you can lower them if you want. You can take them out if you want. I have something similar to this in my closet. This is where I stash all of my Indian jewelry, necklace, my bindi, everything I have organized in these, and they're very spacious. So we have more shelves and more closet space here. This is a really big closet actually. Let me just close the door. That's a huge. So this is somewhere to put like your Indian wear, like salwar suit, or your coats, because it runs pretty high. Let's move on to the ensuite here with the marble floors again. His and hers, we've got a double sink. And you can see we've kept the same gray and white theme throughout the house. Countertops and cupboards. So this is the shower, which also has the marble tiles throughout. And the tub. You can see that it is attached here. I like this look actually. Really nice. Just a window. Also another skylight up here. Tons of skylights in this particular house. Let's make our way downstairs. This floor is a little bit different. It's hardwood, but it's It's not very sleek. I like it. Okay, so here we have the second floor. We have like a little bit of rec space here. I don't really know what to call it, but all I know is, again, it has a wonderful view. Okay, so let's start on the right side. We have the laundry room, a very spacious laundry room. Again, work going on in here. The washing machine will go there. Washing machine and dryer. We have a sink with space under there. Sink here. Cupboard space up there. Okay, and here we have on the right side a bedroom. Bedroom number 1, let's call it. Okay, and we just have a closet here. Let's check it out. So this is a standard size closet. This is what you'll find in any bedroom. Very high up there. You can't see, there's no light in here. Okay. All right, so we saw the laundry room, the bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 over here. Very bright in here. Very nice sized bedroom. And the closet. This closet is a standard size closet, but I mean, it's just a little bit longer than the others. But same concept with the shelf and an area to hang your clothing. Now this is a very nice sized bedroom. Wow. All right. So this was the rec room, and yes, the slider to go onto the bottom sun deck here. I'm not gonna go out there because it's been raining, it's really wet, and it needs to be scrubbed down, so we're not gonna go out there today. So that is the staircase, just came down. Here is just the furnace room. I can show you this. We have the furnace and the hot water tank. So this is what they look like. Hot water on demand and the furnace. So I think there's a light here. You know, I'm not going to touch that switch because I don't know what's going on here and I don't want to do something silly. Okay, so this is, yes, guess what this is? This is the second master bedroom. So we've done some really cool things in this house. We have 2 master bedrooms, first of all, and I'll show you what we have in the next room in a second. So this is the master closet, the walk-in closet. Here. A little bit different than the other one. Similar concept. All right. And the washroom as well. Again, the double sink. Our shower and tub together. We don't have it separate. Oh, and there's also a window back here too. Awesome. So I'm going to show you something that our kids absolutely love, and they keep saying that they want one of these in their house, and is the number 1 reason why they want to move into this house. This is a theater room. Soundproof walls. We have an outlet there for the projector and for the TV. So this is so cool, a theater room. So someone keeps saying, I want to move into this house, a theater room, but this is some storage space under the staircase. It's really long, really deep, and again, like I was saying, we have tried to utilize every spot in this house the best that we can. You know what? I'm starting to think that I want to move here too now. All right, so we have actually on the left here, I did miss, this is the main washroom. So now we need to go to the basement, and to reach the basement, I have to go outside because there is no direct entrance from this part of the house. Okay. All right. So on that side we have the kitchen, and over here is the living area and the kitchen area, the dining area. And to the right we have a closet. This is a fairly good sized closet. There. And it's pretty deep. More shelves on the side. Okay, that's the closet. Kitchen. So we're still waiting on appliances here. We have a dishwasher, but still waiting for the stove and the fridge. We went with a little island here. I like this idea. And there's also a window here in the kitchen, which is awesome. You open this window, open the ones in the bedroom, and the air crosses. It's amazing. I know some basements don't have windows in the kitchen. You know what? There is actually a good amount of space right here, right next to the kitchen. So I would actually call this the kitchen area. So table over here, and over here I would do the living area. The couch and all that. So yeah, you put your kitchen table here. There's more than enough space for that. Over here we have to the left a laundry room. Still waiting on the washer dryer, some cupboard space up there. And to the right, the bathroom. Again, same floors, and just a basic washroom with a shower, tub, toilet, and the sink. Okay. And to the right side here. So this is a 2-bedroom basement suite. This is the larger bedroom. Super bright here as well. And the closet here is a little bit larger than the other bedroom. There we go. And again, I cannot get over the view from this basement suite. Okay, so let's head on over to the other bedroom here. This is the second bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still a really good size. And oh wow, so this is the closet. All right. So this basement is quite spacious and bright. The ocean view is just a plus point, but this is what a typical basement does look like in Canada. We were actually living in a basement suite for a couple of years while we were waiting on our house. We designed it, we built it, it took a while. So we were in a basement for a bit, and they're not always dungy. They're not always what we think of a basement to be. The best part actually about living in a basement was that I didn't have to worry too much about cleaning. The smaller the space, the less cleaning you have to do. The bigger the house, the more cleaning and maintenance involved. So I kind of missed that part. I hope this video was informative and I was able to give you kind of a good look into houses here in Canada. If you do have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.